today, you see, I was thinking about past story, the one about the snowy forest. And I decided to go, you know where? Yes, to the North Pole! Everything here is covered in snow and ice. And I've brought my favorite winter book. Remember that when I open it, words start to come alive. But this time, we won't have any words. We'll just have to remember them. Okay? Let's do this together. Come on, here it comes. The first challenge. Oh, can you see? There's a very icy lake we need to cross, but we can't step on it because the ice might break and we fall in. The water is too cold. Yeah, no. So we need to find what's the right pronoun to overcome the challenge, okay? Let's read with me. Alex and Mia are in the snowy forest. They find an old map and it excites. Here, remember the missing pronoun? But this time, I remember perfectly. The right word is them. They find an old map and it excites them. Yes, Mia and Alex. And them is written the following way. T-H-E-M. Yes, am I right? Yeah, indeed! And how Oh, wow, look! I love it! Look how this cable car appeared and it's taking us to the other side. Amazing! Thank you! Do you understand how it works? Let's continue with our journey. Okay, this is a super icy cave and there's no light inside. We must get light if we need to cross it. So let's find the missing word in this coming sentence. They decide to follow the clues on... Do you remember? It! Yes, the map! They decide to follow the clues on it. And wow, look at the lights! Now I can go inside. I see everything clear. And let's keep walking. Oh wow, look at this door. But I can open it. So I guess we need to overcome the last challenge. I'm ready, give it to me. Oh, here it comes. Mia was cold. So Alex decided to give okay, his coat. But this sentence was not in the story. Hey, how tricky! I have to think. Let's read again. Alex, the boy, decided to give his coat, the jacket, the coat, to Mia. So what pronoun can refer to Mia? Yes, I know, her. Her. He gave it to her. So that's the missing word. Am I right? Alex decided to give her his coat. Yeah! And ta-da! The door is getting open. Let's just go in. Oh, wow! It's even more amazing. What a magical word. So kids, remember the words can be like puzzle pieces. Sometimes you just need to find the right ones to make the stories complete. Yeah? Good job!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again. Okay, we keep learning, but we keep learning about what? About the indirect object pronouns. Remember, those words that we use to talk about the receptors of actions. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay, yes? So now you know much more about how to use these pronouns. So let's go for this challenge. What pronoun is the correct one for each sentence? We were a bit cold. We. Okay? She bought so it's we. She bought me? No. She bought you? She bought us. She bought us, yes, a cozy sweater for the winter. We have it here. Let's go now for the next one. Tom and Lucas, two boys, okay? Two boys left home. We made, Tom and Lucas, we made them some hot chocolate after playing in the snow. So it's them. We made them, yes? I didn't know how to make a snowman. Okay, I didn't. That's me, the subject. He, maybe a friend, a boyfriend, showed me. Do I have that option in here? Yes, I do. He showed me how to make a snowman. You didn't get it? I sent, okay, the subject is you. I sent them, I sent you, or I sent her a holiday card. For the context of this sentence, the right one is you. I sent you a holiday card because this is the subject, you. Leah has always her hands very cold. Very cold. They gave, Leah is a girl, so us, her, or him. Us is for we, her is for she, and him is for him. So clearly, if Leah is a girl, the right option is her. They gave her a pair of mittens as a gift. Very, very well done. Remember, the object pronouns are the words we use to like shortcut the sentences and not be repeating the subjects over and over. Now, after finishing this, go and stick one of the happy faces, and you can go and stick it in here, okay, in the activity number 3. Well done!